Okay, good afternoon, boys and girls. So, today, as we proceed, we shall be discussing about this VIX 75. So, in short, when you are trading this VIX 75, you know that what what we are always looking is we do looking for the trending. You know, trending is your friend. So, first of all, you have to understand those reversal patterns. So which are those reversal patterns are kind of pattern which will notify you when the price is changing in direction, whether it's buying or it's going to sell at that current price. So let us start, guys. As you remember, the first thing you have to understand is the nature theory. So if you don't know about the nature theory, you can pass through the previous videos and you can watch them so that you can have the knowledge about the nature theory. So let us start, guys. We know that within a market, we always have two things, which are phases, impulsive phase and the correction phase. So what does it mean by the impulsive phase? Impulsive phase is the phase that when we understand the big momentum, whether to the downside or to the upside. So it can move to the downside or it can move to the upside. That's the impulse. So so this is the example, guys. So this is the impulse. You can see there were the big momentum candles. You see, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, but the big candles compared to this one, this was a correction. So we know that this is the impulsive and this is the correction phase. So as we understand that, I will use the trend line to spot those patterns, guys. So you see, this is the impulsive and this is the correction phase. And what do we expect of the impulsive phase? We know after impulsive phase, there will be correction. Then after correction, we know what next is. The next impulsive leg to the downside. So you can see here, guys, we had something like this. So this was the impulsive phase to the downside. Then we had a correction phase here. Then impulsive to the downside. But there is another issue, guys. You know, we're in this level, guys. So you see, there was something like double bottom here. So this is the first touch, and this is the second touch. So it gives us the confirmation of double bottom. So this is the first and the second one. So we understand that this is a reverse pattern to the upside. So you see, guys, so this is the impulsive, then correction, impulsive to the downside. After this price level, we noted that this price around 37.5733. So we found something like double bottom. So what do we expect is the next move to the upside, guys. So remember the nature theory: impulsive, correction, then after correction, what next is impulsive leg to the upside. So let me show you, guys, just to make it clear, simple and easy. So you understood that this is the impulsive leg to the upside. Then market, we are starting to collect here. Price, we are collecting around this price level. And then what do we expect next is the impulsive leg to the upside, guys. This is the impulsive correction, then impulsive. So by the way, we have spotted another confirmation here. You can see there's something like a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. You see, this is a left shoulder and this is a right shoulder. What do we expect? The continuation of the right shoulder to the upside. Let us go on H4, guys. So you see, what are we going to do here, guys? Just we are going to tweak the trend lines. So you see, on H4, we can see this is the big picture. We're having this kind of reverse head and shoulder. And what are we looking? We are looking for the right shoulder here to complete this pattern to the upside, guys. So what are we going to do is we are going to insert this arrow so that we can understand what is next. So impulsive correction, then impulsive to the upside, guys. So I will take this trade and our take profit will be around this level. We shall buy. So how are we going to press our stop loss? Our stop loss we are going to press below this shoulder, guys. You see, below this shoulder. So our stop loss will be below around this level, and our take profit will be here. So we can proceed, guys. So you see, we're having inverse head and shoulder, and here we're having double bottom, and within a double bottom, guys, we know this is a reverse pattern to the upside. So we're having impulsive, then the correction. What are we expecting next is impulsive leg. So make sure you are passing the nature theory video and make sure you are understanding it. So after understanding that, it will give you next 10 step ahead so that you can proceed with your step. So make sure you are subscribing my channel so that you can never miss this free content. I wish you all the best. Thank you, guys.